Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how can you use Microsoft PowerPoint for free. So for using it, search here MS PowerPoint online and then go to this first link, edit presentations for free and just wait. So the PowerPoint is setting up. So here you can see this is showing as welcome. If you are not logged in using your Microsoft account, you have to create a one, or you can also use your existing account to log in. So after logging in, you can click on this create blank presentation. So after clicking on it, it will take a few seconds to open. And after that, here you can see the PowerPoint presentation is showing. Now here you can edit the presentation slides. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.